Hi, and welcome back to Creation Depot. My name is Wendy Literal, and on this blog, we like to talk a lot about, well, tech. So tech and mom life and kind of a little bit of everything. Um, the whole premise of this channel is a website designer mom. So it's just kind of any working mom that just kind of needs a place to vent. So anyway, so I wanted to kind of go over my goals for this week. I did miss my vlog last week, but I have a very good reason, and that reason is a toddler. And that toddler, um, well, she has a sinus infection, and I didn't realize it, but when I recorded the video for last week, basically I just had like a line of snot across the front of my parka, and I had no idea, and I didn't think y'all wanted to see that. So, it's either that or I feel like a little blur up, but it was very unsightly, and I didn't realize it until I was like almost through with the vlog. And as we talked about before, usually when I come back in the house, that's it. I mean, that's why I've recorded the last few of them in the car, because as soon as I come back in the house, there's email, there's phone messages, there's like everything under the sun to take my attention away. So it didn't happen, but it happened, but it didn't happen. So anyway, we'll move on, right? So what are my goals this week? I'm looking over here at my notes. My goals for this week are, I really need to grow my YouTube channel, and one of the easiest ways for me to do that is to show my tech knowledge. And one of the things that earlier last week, a few days ago, I actually posted a video on how to set up your SSH key when you're creating your Drupal environment, and just, with WinBash and all. So how to do it on a PC. And I just did this one little segment on how to do an SSH key, and that's it, just that one little chunk. And it's already had a lot of views. And I'm like, you know what? This is what I need to get back to. I need to get back to putting out my tech knowledge and not just doing, it's still my channel. I'm still going to do things that are me, right? Which is gardening and vlogging and like anything creative and design worthy, but also tech is a huge part of what I do. So I'm going to be doing a lot more tech focused videos too, but I mean, they're going to be in a different playlist, but I just need to grow my channel, and that's the quickest way I know how to do it, because YouTube is a large tutorial database. It is how people figure out how to do things quickly. So I can totally fill that niche. I know what I'm doing. So I'm going to do 3 tech videos this week. And from there, I'm kind of going back to one of my long-term goals has been to go get Drupal certified. Acquia does this really good certification, and it's not cheap. It's like $300, but it does have industry value. Everybody knows who they are, and it's a worthy certificate to have. And I wanted to get it last year, and I had too many goals going on last year. And like one of the things I'm trying to do this year is simplify and just, get less done, but get it done. Actually get it done. So I'm going to come back to focusing on that. My goal is to kind of get through, they've got a lot of great videos out and trying to help you prepare for the certification and things like that. And I know a lot of people who've already done the certification, so they can kind of guide my learning. But I really want to take it by the end of March. Like, I feel like I need to give myself a hard deadline on it, or it's never going to happen. So whether I'm ready for it or not, I'm going to take it at the end of March, and then just kind of see how I do on it. Because I think you get one retake, and then I'll retake it, and if I need to, and lock it down. Because at that point, I'll really know what I'm supposed to be studying for and what I really don't know. That's kind of the hard thing I found about doing the certifications, is that even though they have a guide, I feel like there's still a lot you don't know. And I feel like if they had more practice quizzes and like more hand-holding, I guess, I don't know, I feel kind of left out a lot, when I'm trying to figure stuff out, because I don't know what I don't know, and I don't like that. But getting back to my goals, so I'm going to be doing the Drupal certification, and then also, so that's going to be kind of incrementally working on over the next like 4 weeks or so. And then hopefully by the end of March, I'll be taking that. If not the end of March, it'll be like the first week of April. It just kind of depends on where I am the 3rd week of March. And if I feel like I'm strong enough, then I'll schedule it. then the next thing is I actually have a few new websites that I'm locking down. I've got a couple new leads. I've got some that are like for sure's, and I'm just kind of solidify them and get them into a project management system and get them ready to go. So that's going to take up a lot of my time this week, but it's welcome. I'm glad it's here. I'm glad it's happening. And then this is kind of not tech related, but my garden is like, we're getting ready to go into March. And even though it literally just snowed last week, I have already started my seedlings in the garage, and it's kind of like they're already kind of pushing up to the top of the little greenhouse dome. So I got to go get grow lights and I got to get them set up. And then I got to go prep the beds because their soil is last year's soil, and I need to put new stuff in it so that the new stuff grows well. So I need to get those leaves in there, and I need to get the soil amendments in and get that set up. So if you're not into gardening, that's going to mean nothing to you, but it's a task I have to complete this week. Therefore, it is a goal because I love gardens, love them. So, and that's it. That's all my like have to do's this week. I would really like to do a little bit more me stuff this week. One of the things I have learned since my trip to Disney is that I do not do enough stuff that is just for me alone, and I need to do that more of that stuff. So I don't know what it's going to be. My husband did give me a spa certificate to a nice size gift card to a spa downtown in Fredericksburg. And I think I'm going to try to do it. You know, I generally don't like people to touch me. So I probably won't do the massage or anything like that. But I know they have a lot of really cool, like candles and like there's this jade roller thing, you know, and some really cool, you know, stuff that they sell, like little, not hygiene stuff, but like soaps and, you know, bath bombs and things like that, like just fun stuff. So I'll probably go down and just kind of take my lunch hour and just peruse and see what they've got product wise, because again, I've gotten massages before and I'm uncomfortable the entire time, you know. So I don't even like getting my nails done because I don't like people holding my hands. Like I just don't like to be touched. It's like, just you stay over there, you know. So I would think I would prefer going and getting the products. So I'm looking at my notes, but that's really kind of it. You know, it's kind of a short one this week just because I'm simplifying and my goals are very tangible, you know, like trying to work on doing SMART goals, you know, like the timely, the material, like there's outlines for each goal. Like I think I've got it set up there. Like, what is it? Yeah, I actually put it on my wall. Specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. Because a lot of times I'll write down something I want to do, like, oh, I want to get Drupal certified. And I don't put any parameters on it. And then it just goes, oh, I don't know, 6 months that I've been trying to get myself Drupal certified. So now it's like, now I took the guide and I broke it down into sections. I'm going to do this week, I'm going to do this week, you know, try to actually complete it. So yeah, that's it. The only really timely thing is that I got to do something with the seedlings because they only go so long before they crap out. So I've got to take care of it. So, all right, that's it. I will throw some crocus flowers, hopefully, in here that are blooming in my front yard, and they're absolutely stunning. They're beautiful. I love, love, love when spring comes around. And this year, I'm not going to have a bazillion daffies in my front yard. The people who owned the house before us, I kid you not, they were in love with the color yellow. In love with it. Our walls are yellow. The house is yellow. Everything they planted in the yard is yellow. There is a ton of forsythia, which, don't get me wrong, forsythia is it's a beautiful yellow plant, bush, right? Like it's gorgeous. But that with the daffies everywhere, like it's just everything is yellow. Everything is yellow. Like literally every wall in this house was yellow. It's starting to change now to more of a neutral tone, and of course my blue wall here, like see, yellow. The whole house is freaking yellow. So I like yellow, but I don't like to be inundated with it. So that's enough babbling. All right, I will talk to you guys later. I hope you have a good one. Please do give this video a thumbs up. I always feel weird asking for likes, but it's what makes the YouTube gods happy. So please like it. It does help my channel grow, and I appreciate it. Thanks so much, guys. I'll talk to you later.